Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sheila Swachi of Just Simple Kitchen, whereby we cook simple African meals with simple ingredients that you can just find outside the door. Kindly remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment down below what you want us to cook or what you want to hear from us, and also turn on the notification bell so anytime I upload a new video you get notified. Yeah, today we are going to make a very simple recipe that you can just cook. This is for the lazy one. You can cook for only 10 minutes, yeah, and you're good to go. Let's go to the ingredients. Our ingredients of today are, we are having 3 eggs, we have tomato, spring onions, red onions, spinach, then our cooking oil and salt. Today we are going to make egg, spinach, egg, and ugali. Yeah, let's go. Let's start. I want to light up our fire. We've added some little salt inside. So the next step, we put our eggs. We fry our eggs first in a medium-low heat so that they cannot burn. As our eggs are getting ready, we are boiling water for ugali. Ugali is cornmeal, right? Cornmeal, yeah. Mom. Our eggs are now ready. As you can see, they are out fluffy, so we are removing our eggs and then we go to the next step. Our oil is now heat up. We add a little salt and then we put our red onions. We allow our onions to cook as they stir. For us to obtain the golden brown. Our onions are now ready. Now we add our tomatoes and we mix with our spring onions. The spring onions are just to add the flavor. I love onions. We add them together. We allow them to cook. And then we cover it for 2 minutes for them to cook. Our paste is almost done. At this point is when you add your spinach, because I don't like the spinach that has overcooked, so that you can just feel the taste. Then you just leave it to simmer for 2 minutes before you turn it. For 1 minute rather. Our spinach is already ready. You can see. So at this point we add our fried eggs inside. Then as you turn, you ensure that you cut them into pieces. Like that, and our vegetables are ready. now we proceed to make the next meal. Now we have boiled our water. We ensure that it boils very well, and then we use flour, the unga wa mahindi. That is, these are 2 cups of water for those who eat like Luyas. Then mix. For those who are not Kenyans, ugali is an African Kenyan meal, but it is mostly eaten by... Actually, it is the Kenyan staple food, but it is mostly eaten by the people at the Western Kenya. Yes, it's their favorite. Western Kenya, Nyanza, and even part of Uasin Gishu. So you just leave it to cook. You ensure that you turn it until no flour is seen. See mine? Like that. Then we leave it to cook for like 5 minutes before we remove it. And our ugali is now ready. We proceed to serve it. Let's see how it will come out.